Hi everyone, this is Pavan Sharma. I started my stock market journey in 2011. I started with small time investment with like a capital of 25,000 rupees. I started with swing trading. I didn't knew that it was swing trading. One of my friend told me that you can just put in this money and when this target will come, you can exit. So I realize that that was a swing trading. But I could not hold those positions not even for 2 weeks. I thought that the moment we'll put in the money, the target will get achieved maybe next 3, 4, 5 days or maximum of 10 days. But even after 14 days, the money was in loss. And I could not understand how it's happening. And what I did, I closed my position in minor loss and I started intraday trading. I had zero knowledge about intraday trading. After 6 months, I realized that I'm down by 1 lakh rupees because I keep on adding more money and I keep on losing that. After 6 months, I realized that there are a lot many like mistakes which I have did, and I like worked on them, and slowly I like came into profit. And then since 2016, I'm also taking stock market training classes also. And in my training journey also, when I met the new traders, I found that they are also making the same mistakes. So in this video, we'll be talking about 5 most costliest mistake for a trader, for a the person who is into stock market. So let's start with it. And friends, if you are new to my channel, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to it. Do not forget to press the bell icon. That way you can support my channel a lot. Second, there will be like if you go through the description box, you will find a lot many links there. You will find the Telegram link. There we will provide you live support in the market, our website link, our courses link. Of course, I'm into stock market training since last 6 years. So we have a lot many courses also. You can enroll to them also. And yes, let's move on. So the first, the mistake which I realize is a revenge trading. That's the first common mistake. What is a revenge trading? Revenge trading means we have taken a position. We have, let's take an example. I'm just taking a vague example, SBI. So I like today is let's say Monday. On Monday, we decided to trade SBI. So I took SBI, and after some time, I realized that SBI is not giving me profit, and it hit my stop loss, and I have to quit in loss. After some time, what I realized that I'm again taking SBI. Again, it hit my stop loss. Third trade was again in SBI, and again it gave me a stop loss. I don't know what mistake I did, but I'm angry on SBI. I'm extremely like furious on SBI, and I want to recover my losses from SBI only. So that's called revenge trading. Understand? If we had a stop loss rate in one particular stock, let's say maybe SBI only, immediately remove that stock from your particular watch list. Why? Because you might get like furious, you might get like angry on that particular stock, that this stock has given me a loss, and you want to take revenge by recovering your losses from the very same stock. Please do not do that. The stock does not have any feeling. The stock is just a simple number. You have a feeling, you need to control your feeling. Maybe it's not your right day. Maybe you are taking a buy call, and the moment you enter into a buy call, the minor correction might be there. You again quit, fearing that you will lose further, and that's a minor correction, and it might rise back. And once again, when you re-enter, again the correction time might have come. So that way you are taking continuously hit, continuously stop loss rate into that particular stock, which should not be done. Maybe if you invest in another XYZ or maybe Reliance or maybe any ICICI Bank stock, that might be the time. The moment you enter there, it might start rising from there only. So that way you can recover your losses also, and you will feel that okay, the pressure is going down. So rule number 1, or I would say the most costliest mistake, is do not do a revenge trading. And if in case you are losing continuously after 1 or 2 trades, quit for the day and come back with a fresh mindset, with a refresh mindset the next day. Do not enter into trade with a angry mind or with a furious mind. That will cost you more. Okay, so please keep that in mind. The second one is averaging the falling stock. That's the most common mistake I have seen. That what happened, we do not want to take losses. Everybody, like not just me, not just you, everybody in stock market do not want stop losses hit. But understand, stop losses are part of our trading journey and we cannot ignore stop losses. So if a stock is going down, you need to place your stop loss. If a stock is going down, it has a reason behind it. It has a negativity behind it. That's why it's falling. Okay, maybe you have taken a buy call and the stock is going down. It is down by 1%. You have averaged it. What you did, you took 100 stocks, 100 quantity, and after 1% fall, you added another 100, feeling that the stock will rise. Understand, no stock is legally bound to rise after a particular fall. You have to quit your trades the moment your stop loss value or your stop loss is hit. And once again, do not go with a revenge trading into that particular stock. So the most costliest, the second costliest mistake which I have encountered, and even in my initial journey I have did, is averaging the falling stock. And there is one more thing. This particular thing is, at times we feel that the stock is rising. The stock is like 1% high, 2% high, 3% high. After that particular rise, we feel that stock will come down. And what we did, after 2 or 3%, we started taking sell position in intraday. Please do not do that. That's a reverse trading. Please do not do that, because as we just discussed, that if a stock is falling, if a stock is going down, then it has a reason, it has a negativity behind it, has a news behind it. That's why the stock is falling. Similarly, if a stock is rising, the stock is going like making higher high, 1%, 2%, and it's making 3%, 4%. It has a reason to rise. It has a positivity. That's why it's rising. So there is no point that you should go with sell position in a rising stock. That's why we always say go with that trend. So in the second point, we have covered two parts. One is do not average the falling stock, and do not take a reverse trade in a rising or a falling stock. If a stock is falling, do not average it. Do not take a buy call like continuously, because if a stock is falling, let it fall. If a stock is rising, go with the flow, right? So that's the second mistake. The third one is, here I would say most of the investors are accidental investors. How? Let's talk about that. Holding to your intraday losses, holding to your intraday stocks. Understand, you have done your analysis, you have taken a trade that may be in, once again, let's say SBI, and you found that you have taken a buy call, and now the stock is falling, but it's not like the stock is like constantly falling. You are maybe you have taken 100 quantity and the stock might be down by 3 points only, so which means 300 rupees loss. You will feel that if I hold this position for tomorrow, I might come back in profit. First, you are breaking your intraday rule. Intraday rule means if you are taking trade in intraday, stick to intraday. Do not convert that stock into a delivery, because for delivery you need to have a different set of mindset. You need to have a different set of analysis. That's where the delivery comes. So if you are focusing on intraday, just focus on intraday. Close all your position the very same day. Do not carry forward any intraday position to the next day. That way you will keep on like losing your money, because next day the stock might open gap down. Yes, you can hold your position if you are in profit. I can still there. I will not say that you should break your intraday rule, but yes, conditionally we can say that if a trade, if you have taken a particular trade for the buy side, and if the trade is giving you continuously profit, it has closed in a very good profit, definitely you can hold that particular trade for the next day. But if you are holding a trade which is in loss, then that's a very big no, and that is extremely biggest, like third biggest mistake, which can cost you your entire capital also. It might open gap down next day, and you might lose further, and if it hit the lower circuit, it might hit, like maybe you have to hold for next 3 days also. So please keep that in mind. And now the fourth one is for the option buyers. You understand what options are? If not, we'll make a separate video on that. Option buyers. I have seen a lot of people, they don't have like slightest idea about what options are, how they work, and what is call, what is put. Like they understand what is call, what is put, but they do not understand how it works. What is the premium? What is the time decay? Why you should buy this call? Why should buy this put? There are a lot of factors which revolves around option trading. Without a proper knowledge, I would say not proper, without any knowledge, I have seen traders starting option trading. Please, without proper knowledge, until unless you have extreme deep knowledge about options, do not enter into options at all. That's a very big, I would say, the most riskiest segment in stock market. Your equity will not kill you. Your equity will not wipe your capital, but your options, your option positions will wipe off your capital. I have heard a lot of people saying this. In fact, I have also read the same thing. In options, you have unlimited profit, but limited loss. But do you understand the limited loss? Limited loss means 100% of your invested capital. If you put in 5,000 rupees, you can lose entire 5,000 rupees. Understand this point? You are losing 100% of your capital. But if you are investing 5,000 rupees in equity, you will not lose entire 5,000. You might be down by maybe a few hundred rupees, you might be down by maybe 1,000 rupees, but you will not lose your entire 5,000 rupees in equity, but you can lose, and I have seen people losing their entire capital in options. Why? Because they do not have knowledge about option trading at all. So this, I would say, you can put this particular thing on the number one position, but as we are going in the sequence, then this would be I would say the most costliest mistake which a trader does is they are starting option trading without any knowledge. Please gain proper knowledge. There are lot many books which are there in the market. Do not watch YouTube videos for everything, because in this you have to go sequence. You have to follow a sequence that, okay, first this point, that's next point, then next point. There are lot many things. There are lot many option Greeks are there. The premium factors, decay factors, the market volatility, and lot many things are there. First, understand all those things. Only then start with option trading. Okay. So that will be the fourth one. Again, it's once again something about option only. The fifth costliest mistake, trading OTM. The people who are into stock market and who understand this term OTM, which means buying out of money call, out of money put. There is a static which says that 90% of the trader loses their entire capital in buying out of money call. Yes, that's right. They feel that the premium of a particular option, if it's low, then it's more attractive. No, it's not attractive. Once again, when you take a proper training, take a proper knowledge, you will find that that's the costliest. Even 1,000 rupees, you feel that 1,000 rupees are cheap, but 1,000 rupees is not cheap, because there 90% you will lose that entire capital. 1,000 rupees gone. So please do not trade OTM call, OTM put. So first, understand the options, but if in case you have that knowledge, but you fail to understand one part, that okay, options, which strike price to buy, go with ATM. Never trade in intraday. Also, never trade OTM strike prices. That's a big no in stock market. So if you follow these rules, if you ignore these, like if you focus on these mistakes, I'm sure that it will help you in saving a lot of money in your trading journey. And I'll be coming with more such informative videos. For that, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. I'll see you into my next video, guys. Until then.